This company has been around since 1971. I've been with the company for 23 years, constantly having new challenges brought forth to me. That's one thing that really drives me is the challenge each day. I don't ever get bored. Getting the opportunity to go up in these boom trucks up, 85 foot in the air, it's pretty cool. Even though we work outside, we're not laid off through the winters. That security has been huge for me in choosing and staying with this company. This job is very physical. You do a lot of climbing, work some long hours, and you are on your feet. Being able to go out and produce something in one day and then turn around and do another one the next day. When that task is done, you are prideful. I really have enjoyed this career, and I'm very fortunate to be part of this good team. If you're looking for a full-time career and you enjoy being challenged, this would be a great opportunity.